What's up, y'all? Welcome to another recap. Let's go over this epic trade that we took this morning. Um, it was I had an ass entry, but the trade played out pretty nice, so I made up for the ass entry. But almost 5K today, so let's go over this trade. So first things first, pre-market. Pre-market. Actually, no. Let's go back to yesterday. Yesterday, I had mentioned that if price opened up the next day around or below 635, I had the arrows marked too. We would probably reject and come back down and sweep this liquidity. Or I thought if we would open down here too, you could do the same. Same thing if we opened up above this support level, above 637, I figured we would come and grab this liquidity up here, potentially retest this 650 area. So that was my prediction yesterday. Pre-market, I saw that we had opened up above the support level, so I figured that we could probably come sweep this or grab this liquidity up here and then pull back to retest that same support. But I mean, I was patient. I'll let you guys know where I hopped in. I hopped in about here, somewhere around here, because it didn't look like it wanted to pull back to retest right here. I figured we would just keep running up to retest this 644. I'll take partials there, and then maybe go right up to 647, depending on how price action, or depending on how price played out. But we got this pullback right here, and then I marked this this little, what's it called, fair value gap. And you can see that we retested it a couple times. We broke below that, and then we came to retest that support level. So I held through all of that. I was down, I don't even remember. I didn't really see how much I was down, because I was just paying attention to the play. I wanted to see what it was going to do, if we were going to retest or what. So yeah, I set a stop loss at 638, I believe. And we just wicked right off of that. And then we came back to this level. I put a level at 641.40, I believe. 641. Where's 641.40? Yeah, right here. 641.40. That's, I wanted to stay above this price because that's basically my confirmation level that price was going to continue to the upside. So we just struggled to break above that, which made me a little hesitant about the play. I honestly didn't think it was gonna play out when we had this type of rejection off of that same fair value gap that I had marked earlier that morning. So until we broke above out of that, then I felt good about the play. Pulled back to retest this, sweep some more liquidity. I did not expect this type of move right here though. But right here, I was up, I was literally like break even around here. So I caught this whole move right here. And I ended up selling at around my second price target, 647.56, around 647.50, around here for 220% profit. So that was a play. I didn't think the setup would play out, but kind of played out. I guess it was just a little messy. Price was just super choppy today. That's the only trade that I caught today. Wait, did I trade something else today? No, I only traded spot. I'm tripping. Nah, let's see for tomorrow. Let's do a little prediction for tomorrow. Let me just get rid of these arrows, clean up the chart. Let's see. All right, so you see, I predicted that if price broke above that 637, we would retest 650. And check that out, we retested 650. So this is a pretty strong, or it used to be a pretty strong support level, and then turned to resistance. But if you scroll, let me get out the 5 minute. Let's go to 4 hours. Let me see if 4 hours good to check this out. My bad, bro. My dog is freaking barking at probably some cats or something. We're retesting. Look at this resistance level right here, or support. this was a really strong support level. So we could either get a really hard rejection, or we could kind of get like some type of breakout, pullback, break and retest. That's really what I see happening. This is the most. I feel like this is gonna play out. Now we could end up, since I said we have a pretty strong what's it called? Pretty strong resistance level. We could reject off of that too. I don't know. It depends where price is at pre-market tomorrow. So you can't really predict anything. Like I said, you might be bearish because price closed down here, and then we opened up here. You know what I'm saying? So you can't really predict anything until you see pre-market price, which is tomorrow morning. So we'll see what happens. I'll catch y'all tomorrow on the next trade recap. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll catch y'all later.